Hello there. Welcome back to Introductory Accounting Info. In this video, we want to look at the preparation of the trading account. I've got a question that we want to look at, and this is our question one. And it says the following trial balance appeared in the books of Siabong and Kul on 30 July 2017. So the required part, first part, which is 1.1, reads complete the trading account and profit and loss account in the general ledger of Siabong and Kul for the year ending 30 July 2017. So according to the question, this question needs us to prepare the trading account and also the profit and loss account. And you know that the trading account and the profit and loss account are part of the income statement. So according to this video, we are only going to look at the preparation of the trading account. So if we go to our answer section, you'll see that we have our trading account, whereby obviously we have the debit side and the credit side. But what we should appear on the debit side of the trading account, remember on the debit side of the trading account, we should see the opening stock, the purchases, any carriages in there. If there are any import duties, also should be on the debit side. And then on the credit side, we're going to see our sales and our closing stock. Then when we have got our allowances in terms of data allowances or sales returns, they will go to the opposite side of sales. Remember, sales we said credit, so sales returns will come on the debit side, as well as purchase returns will come on the opposite side of the of where we put our purchases. Purchases are on the debit, so it means our purchase returns will come on the credit side. So this is what we have. So we go back to our question and try to identify the elements of the trading account. So if you come here, you'd see that going now to the information given in the question, we're given a trial balance of Siaboga Kul on 10 July 2016. So this is our trial balance. We've got various balances in terms of the balance sheet section and then the nominal account section. Then I believe that we have got the general information where we have the merchandise was valued at 82,500 rands after a physical stock taking on 30 July 2017. So this represents our closing stock. Remember, closing stock will be mentioned in the additional information. So we can go to our list of balances and try to identify the balances that should be in the trading account. So we start by opening stock. The figure that we are given there, which is on 1 August 2016, is becomes our opening stock, which is given it as 15,100. So we go there and put it as our opening stock. And we said our opening stock should be on the debit side. So we are saying here, opening stock. So this the amount that we have, we can as well try to check the amount that we are given for opening stock there, which is 50,100. So we have 15,100 is our opening stock. Remember, on the debts column, we have this trading account is prepared at the end of the financial year. So our year is ending 2017, July 10th. So this is our date, which is also going to apply on the credit side. So where we are saying 2017, July 10th. So we go there and try to identify again any other element of trading account. So we go to the nominal account section. So on the nominal account section, we'll see that we've got sales, which is 440,000. So for our sales, remember I said it should be on the credit side. So we can go to the credit side and put up 440,000. So we are saying sales 440,000. And we go back to check in terms of another balance that we have. After sales, we've got purchases. And the purchases is 353,100, which should go to the debit side. Purchases, we've got 353,100. And then we check in terms of after purchases, we are given carried on purchases. Remember, carried on purchases are going to increase the value of purchases. So they also go to the debit side of the trading account, which is 9,900 for carried on purchases. We are saying it's 10,900. And after carried on purchases, so what carried on sales are we included in the profit and loss account. So we leave it, we go to rent received. It's an income, which is should be the profit and loss, and then again salaries again. But import duties, we know that it's part of our carriages. So we put out 3,000 uh, on the debit side of the credit account. Three thousand, and then we go to the next item. After input duties, we've got interest received, which is an income, commission paid, part of the profit and loss account. We go down checking. Oh, so we see that we have exhausted all elements that should be included in the trading account. But if you go to additional information, you see that we've got our closing stock, which is merchandise valued at 82,500 rands. And it's on 30 July 2017, which is the date of the representing our closing stock. So closing stock should be on the credit side. So we go to the credit side and we are saying closing. Closing stock, and the figure that we have is 82,500. So this is what we have. Well, we can now try to balance our account. So we can start by putting our double lines. So we try to add the total of the debit and also total of the credit, and we see which one is the greater total. But if we add the total of debit and credit, we're going to see that our credit side is a greater total of 522,500, which should come in between the double lines, both sides. So we're saying 522,500, which is also on the debit side. So which means the difference, which is the balance figure, should come on the debit here, and we are saying, if you say 522,500 minus 3,000 minus 9,900 minus 353,100 minus 50,100, the difference that we're supposed to get there is 141,400. Yeah, this figure, we are supposed to transfer it to the profit and loss account, and this is our gross profit. So we can just say profit and loss. But what we know is if we have a profit and loss for the debit like this in the trading account, so it represents a gross profit. So this is what we have. So if we had a lesser total on the credit side, it means we're supposed to put the balancing figure here, transfer the profit and loss, and obviously it will be now a gross loss. So and it's going to be debited in the profit and loss account. So in this case, our gross profit is going to be credited in the profit and loss account. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video on the preparation of the trading account. Let's stay tuned for more videos to come. More typical examination questions are going to come. Let's subscribe and share. Let's share the link to all our colleagues who are doing intro to accounting. And for as for this video, I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.